Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make taco cheesy puffs, and I'm using ground turkey, not beef. I eat very little beef. And this is the oil. Like you guys know, this is my favorite oil. I already have a little bit in the pot heating up. So while it's heating up, which is already did, I'm just gonna add the turkey. I'm doing separate that as much as you can. You want to get that separated. Okay, so I'm just trying to get it all separated. Okay, so while it's cooking, I'm gonna cover it a little bit. I'm gonna cut up some onions and some garlic. I'm not gonna use the whole onion because I'm not cooking a lot. I love my onions and my garlic. I can't do without it. I'm gonna cut that as small as you can. Okay, I think that's good enough. So now we're gonna come back over here. Like I said, you wanna loosen this turkey up, loosen the meat up. And you could use ground beef, whichever you like. I love my turkey meat. Okay, so now it's trying to get it into really, really small pieces. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion and my garlic. Okay, and I'm gonna mix that through. Okay guys, so now that's that. I'm gonna add this, the taco seasoning. And I'm gonna use the whole pack. And I'm gonna stir that through. Okay, I'm going to turn the stove down. guys, so now you see I'm getting all that taco seasoning all the way through it. And I like to add just a little onion powder, just right here. Not much, because I already have onion and garlic in it. I just love my food very tasteful, and a little garlic powder. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some cheese. I'm just using this blend, as you guys can see all that cheese in there. So I'm gonna add a little bit, just like a handful. And you're gonna mix it through, mix everything in. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like. Okay guys, so while I'm leaving that to cook a little more, I'm gonna cover it and turn it down. And what I will be doing here now, this is what I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna dry it. I just wash it out. And while I'm gonna do this, I will be turning on the stove to like 360. Let it get heated up. So this is my muffin pan. And I just turned the stove down on very, very low. So I got it all dried. Okay, this is what I'm using, some Pam spray. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use for the dough. Okay guys, let me get this open. Alright, so I have one open. Okay, and that's all out. Okay guys, so I am going to, I don't need it big, so I will be cutting this. I just want to cut it in. How many pieces? Don't need it too thick, because you just need it for the pan. Okay, so that's about 5. So what you're gonna do is you want to kind of knead the dough to fit in here. Okay, and this is what you're gonna do. So you want to just get them all fit in. Cover it all the way up. Same thing here. I said you could knead it to make it a little easier. And then just put it in, spread. So you just do it all that way until you're completely done. Okay, now get the other one open. Okay, this is the next dough. These things are so hard to open. All right, guys, this is the last one. I'm cutting it into 6 pieces so you can fold the other 6 spots. Okay, some pieces are bigger than some. Okay. Okay, this one has a little opening, so I'm going to kind of knead it together. Put another piece with it. Okay, now that the oven is heated, so we're gonna get this done. I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, guys, almost there. All right, guys, now that we are finished, we're gonna, you need a spoon like this so any gravy and juice or anything doesn't get into it. So we're gonna, and this is what it looks like. Okay, guys, so now, well, there's no juice in here. You want to get it, and you're gonna fold this in. Okay. And we just repeat the steps until we're done. casserole. Okay guys, now that we're done, let me wipe my hands. We're gonna get the cheese, the same cheese, and just on top, you're going to sprinkle. Okay guys, so now this is our cheesy taco, and I'm gonna put them in the oven. I heat the oven at 350, and as you can see guys, this is what it looks like, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Okay guys, I'll be back with the finishing touch, but that's cheesy tacos puff. Goodbye guys for now. I'll be back. Okay guys, welcome back. Now that I left it in the oven for like 20 minutes, we're gonna take it out. And there goes our cheesy puffs. Cheesy taco puffs. So as you can see guys, that's the finishing touch. It's a little hot, so, but as you can see, come out nicely, nice and easy. And this is our cheesy taco puffs. Okay guys, I'm about to go dive in. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, goodbye for now.